Welcome food lovers, I'm 𝗙𝗚𝗚𝗚 and I'm back with another no-knead recipe. Today I will show you the trick of making a no-knead focaccia. All you need is to mix 185 ml warm water with half teaspoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of dry yeast. Let the yeast activate for 10 minutes. Add 2 teaspoons of olive oil in the yeast mixture, stir, and incorporate 200 grams of flour in 2 batches. Start with the first batch, so half of the flour quantity, and stir. Add half teaspoon of salt and then incorporate the rest of the flour. This is the texture the dough has. Cover with plastic wrap and let it rest for 1 hour in a warm place. Grease a cast iron with oil, approximately 1 tablespoon, and add the dough. Use your fingers to form the focaccia. This is my favorite part in making a focaccia. Then combine 2 teaspoons of minced garlic with half tablespoon of olive oil. Grease the top of the focaccia with this garlic oil mixture. No focaccia without garlic, right? So use your fingers to incorporate the garlic and then sprinkle some dried rosemary on top. Cover with a kitchen towel and let it rise for 1 more hour. Preheat the oven to 190 degrees Celsius and bake it for 20 to 25 minutes. The focaccia bread is now ready. Let it cool a little bit before cutting. Look at these bubbles. It's just perfect. Another Italian recipe that I love. Waiting for your thoughts in the comment section, folks. So, till next time, eat healthy, stay safe, and take care. With love, 𝗙𝗚𝗚𝗚𝗏𝗏.